Good morning, Blackhawks. Welcome back to week 2. Hope you guys had a great weekend and your family and you are safe. Um, Before we begin, I'd like to give a shout out to some of the students in my Period 2 class. They've already done a quick write and they went above and beyond the call of duty. They did an excellent job. Abram, Charity, Kalani, Trinity, and Aurora, you guys did an awesome job, and thank you very much for your effort. I really appreciate it. And with that, let's go ahead and get started on what's going on. I want you to open up, or you're going to open up to the courses, click on whatever period you have, and this is what your page should look like for world history. As you can see, I added a folder down here. We have a green folder, which this week's work is going to go into, and then we also have a yellow folder. This was the work that we did from last week, and as you can see, it has week 1 in there, and then it has some stuff in there that you can see or you can't see. Just kind of take a look at that. If you're missing any assignments, that's where you're going to find the stuff. Down at the bottom, we have online textbook, which we're going to go over on Wednesday, I believe it is. And then if you're ever having a problem submitting an assignment, look at this video on this page here. It will help you out. Okay, with that, your homework for today is going to be 2 truths and 1 lie. And then I want you to start on who am I? And that's not due until Thursday. Remember, you must check in on Tuesdays and Thursdays with all your classes. And so I have check-ins for you on Tuesday, Thursday, and don't forget second period. We need to spend some time together, but it's going to be a short amount of time because I want you to work on your other work. So with that, let's go ahead and look at 2 truths and a lie. If you click on 2 truths and a lie, you're going to have, just like all the assignments, you're going to have the title, you're going to have the due date there, an example. This is what it should look like when you open it up. And then I have an example down here, and that's what I want you to do. You're going to give me 2 truths and 1 lie. So this one of these is a lie about me. I like soccer, I like basketball, and I like pizza. And then on Friday, hopefully if we have some time, we're going to go over a few of these. With that, at the top you should have my assignments. Then you should have a button for my document. You're going to click on my document, and then over here you're going to have edit, and then you're going to have submit assignment. If you don't see your assignment below after you click on my document, you have to click on edit and it should open it up. If not, then you got to go to the top part where it says I don't see my assignment. But when you do click on edit, you should see something that looks like this, right? It's not this one right here. Sorry. Where is it? 2 truths and a lie. There it is there. This is what it should look like. I have the title already. I want you to click by your name, and I want you to put your first and your last name. And then I want you to click down here, and you're going to type in incomplete sentences, 1 truth about you, or 2 truths about you and 1 lie. Make sure they're complete sentences, and make sure that they're random, that they're not just the lie is at the bottom. So try to put them in an order that somebody's not going to be able to figure out which one the lie is. Okay? And now we're going to go to who am I? When you click on who am I, the assignment that is going to be due on Thursday, I already have the title here. You can change that. And then down below you have an example. This is a draw program. So if you click in the middle, you can write your paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences. And then I want you to give me 3 pictures. The pictures don't have to be about you. In my case, I had my family in there. Like, let's say if you like basketball, you can just give me a basketball picture off the internet. Just make sure that it's appropriate and stuff like that. And then The fun part is designing it the way you want. This is an example of what I did. I changed the title around, but it's still got "Who am I?" And then I have a picture of my family. I did, instead of just one paragraph, I did 3 paragraphs. And then I have the 3 pictures down here of my family. And so you shouldn't have a problem typing it. And in the background here, you can see that I have a picture of my family at the desert. And with that one, I don't know, this one is right there. How I did that and put it in the background is I went to Format, and I went over to Adjustments, and then I took the transparency and I slid it down so it does not stand out. I want, obviously, the paragraph to stand out. So you can play with these controls to get it the way you want. Sometimes it doesn't do it, especially on a Mac. When you slide it, nothing happens. But if you refresh it, then you'll be able to see the adjustments that it has. Okay, to do pictures or to import pictures, the best thing to do is to copy them or download them to your computer, and then you're going to go up here to Insert. You go to Image, and I went to Upload. You can also go to Search the Web. It's just that when you search the web, it doesn't give you a lot of options, so it's better to Google a picture. Like if you're interested in basketball, you Google basketball, go to Images, and try to download that on there. But to insert a picture from the computer, you would basically insert it, and let's see here what pictures these are. There's my dog when he was a puppy. And then you would, to resize it, you take a corner and you bring it down to make it whatever size you want. And then you can turn it by clicking the little circle up here if you want to turn it whichever way. You have fun with it and play with however you want to make it yours. Let's be creative and let's do an awesome job on it, okay? With that said, I'll see you in class in a little bit. Bye.